Hello there. In this quick video, I'm going to compare the specs and some important information that you need to know about the Sony w830 with the Sony w800. So when we're going to look here, they got same megapixels, same sensor size, and the ISO range is better for 830, 80 to 3200, and Sony w800 got 100 to 3200. Now the zoom lens got also better zoom for the Sony w830, but you can have optical image stabilization for both same screen, a continuous shooting, video resolution, but the weight is lighter by just a little bit grams and dimensions, so it's more compact, the w800. Now when we are going to look on a further specs, what we can find here is that we can see that 800-300 that got better shutter, also better wider coverage, and also got better telereach, optical zoom, and faster lens and tele. So these are like the why we should use it. But here comes the thing is that when we are going to look even further to the comparison, now we can see, let's go here. So you're gonna have AF live for the 830 view. Also, when I'm going to look for something custom white balance, that's something that you're gonna have. As I mentioned, the max mechanical shutter is different, and that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to share with you a quick video. I hope it was beneficial, and have a great day and goodbye.